Nollywood actress Classy Lillian Gabriel recounts her encounter with false prophet. Also, former reality star Tega don't talk about marriages. Legendary music star R. Kelly message to his fans from prison. Former reality star Simply Tasha answered her fan controversial question. My great people them Nollywood actress, so they call and say Lillian Gabriel don't jam her own water low. Young beautiful Nollywood actress, so where they hustle, so all of one bad person when she put food for her table. My correct people them no be smart, she don't jam water low in the hands of a false prophet. My correct people them no be small thing. Alright, so more watch the video.
Good evening, everyone. This is an advice to everyone and also an experience I passed through yesterday. On my way going back from location, an elderly man came across to me and asked me if I know a way to Divine Hospital. And I told him I don't know anywhere in Asaba apart from the places I go for work. Then I said he should wait a minute. He should just give me a minute. Let me go nearby and ask someone so that the person will come and direct him. And I went to a shop. I asked the guy if he knows somewhere that is called Divine Mercy Hospital. He said yes. I said, please come along and give this man the direction. But he's stranded. And he said he has someone that is about to die in the hospital. Then after that, the guy now came and gave the man the direction. So I now decided to go a little away from that place to get something for myself to eat. The man now came with his car and said I should stop, that he has a vision for me. He saw a vision for me. I said, okay, I'm listening. He said, my mom left 3 years ago, 2 of us. I said, true. And my dad died when I was a little. I said yes. He said I should not worry, that today marks the end of my suffering because he has seen that I've been struggling since my mom left. I said yes, sir. He said I should wipe my tears, that everything is going to be alright. After that, he now said I should just wipe away my tears. I said thank you so much. He asked me if I'm a Christian. I said yes, I'm a Christian. He now introduced himself as a Reverend Father Jude, that's what he calls his name, and said that he saw a miracle going to happen on my way, that God has already answered my prayer because I have been suffering for long. So he now said, okay, do I have my ATM? I said yes. He said a big amount of money is going to enter my account. That is the way that God wants to wipe away my tears. I said I believe in God. He told me that he loves that. He loves people that love God. He now said I should bring out my ATM so that he will pray on top of that my ATM so that the miracle will manifest. I brought out my ATM. He now prayed. Asked me to pray also. I prayed with my pure heart. He now gave me a paper, said I should wrap my ATM. I wrapped the ATM. He now said he now laid a prayer on that ATM and said, from today, I'll be seeing miracles. God have already answered my prayers. I said, thank you so much, sir. So he now said I should put down my ATM inside my small purse, that I should not bring it out so that all these boys walking around in the night will not collect it from me. I said, okay, sir. I put it inside the bag exactly the way he told me. Then for me to enter Keke from Traffic Junction and reaching Access Bank Junction, I saw a debit alert. I was like, what did I do with my money? Because I didn't go to anybody, I didn't go to POS. I was just cross-checking that in my memory, and I saw another debit alert. Behold, this man just debited my lifetime savings. Money I've been saving all this while. He just collected it from me for no reason. Immediately I got home. What I saw in the exchange of my ATM card was this. This is what I got in place of my ATM. I cried, and I know that crying won't solve the problem. I also went to the bank. They said they can't do anything. Even if I take the case to the police people, they will not do anything. And I laid a curse on that man. I laid a curse with the spirit of my late mom and my late father because he used it against me and also used God's name against it. Please. I know that this video will go viral and he will come across this video. Wherever you are, Mr. Eric, whether you call yourself Reverend Father Jude or anything you call yourself, your cup has already been filled up. This is your last bus stop. And I pray God will surely judge you. The cry of an orphan will never go in vain. God will surely judge you wherever you are.
My great people, them former reality star, where they call her say, Tega, don't come out till Saturday I'm bad pass. I no go allow una forget me. Waiting the apple. I must say one or two. So now she come out to come they talk about marriage. So she say you can be 45 years in marriage and still feel trapped or more. Man, it's a different reality. Which kind trapped? Now people like you, they feel trapped. We una don't marry, una no they satisfied with the John Thomas we una sign up for. Una still won't go explorer. Alright, so she can say there is only so much you have to endure before you start to crack. Now what? Well, now she dey inside the the water, now she know how cool and rich. Everybody with their own cross here, my dear, carry your cross, so nothing concern borrow with overload. Alright, so some of certain people talk, people say, Ifile o ejoko divorce, street is calling her. The second person say this one divorce so she can join Tasha and Mercy them gang. The third person say instead of all this plenty talk, why not just tell your husband that you don't love him anymore? It's understandable. What you did was an abominable act and I still wonder why he decided to forgive you. But deep down you know you don't love him and it's why you could sleep with another man on national TV. Alright, so the last person can say, Tega, you still the chat Boma Abi, you know the chat am. My cry people them be like say Tega just they use us the cash cruise. Shana husband, they just they use us the cash cruise. Tega wants to stay relevant. She need this thing. She need the fame. So no lele. We know. Alright, so move on to the next gist. Musician, where then they call and say R. Kelly, not just a musician, but legendary musician. R. Kelly don't insist so say no they guilty after them don't find am guilty for ex-trafficking trial be small thing. 11 accusers where they consist of 9 women and 2 men. They can't carry their stand for the 6-week trial can't narrate the sexual abuse when subject them to. After 2 days deliberation, the jury can't find them guilty of all the charges where in the face. In Zenden's in Gode duo for May 4th. After when they find am guilty, in telling fans for Facebook say he no dey guilty and he go continue to dey fight till him prove him innocence. 12 people gather to testify against only you. Now wow, not only you there for this world, wetin you do them, my brother? Now wow, and you say you dey innocent. Alright, see what he right. He said to all my fans and supporters, I love you all and thank you for all the support. Today's verdict was disappointing and I will continue to prove my innocence and fight for my freedom. Yeah, wish you all the best. So wish you all the best. My great people, they no be small thing. Former reality star, they call and say simply Tasha. Don't come out you can't answer a bonge question where they ask her whether she don't follow them doing her show. Then she say yes. But my correct people them when I know say Tasha backside don't they set like this right from time, even when she day house. But people no go ever stop to the ask question. See waiting person answer and say, did Tasha finally do her body? She simply answer yes. So, my correct people, when they talk about body, no be only nyash. Maybe she don't arrange her body well, or maybe she don't come off fat for her belly. I don't know, my correct people, them, or maybe she just want answer the amable person something so they go paper and wella. Alright, so some of see fans' reactions in the first person here say, like able, the second person say, no time for explanation, anything you say, yes, I did it. The third person say, now waiting all of una they fine. so she don't talk am make them rest. The food person say both the asker and the asked have they voted for white money. Well, hurry now or ask me how. Me, I don't vote for my white money, oh, the white money gang. We move. All right. So now thank you for watching. Wanna stay beautiful. Wanna bye.